Hi there, today we're going to learn about how to create a bar chart race in Canva. So what is a bar chart race? You probably have seen this in different social media websites before. It's usually used to visualize a large range of data and to compare its values to the different data it has. So for example, in this one, I think this is a comparison of the birth rate in different countries. So this is just the Flourish website. I just opened this to see a visualization of the bar chart race and what it looks like. So we're going to do that in Canva, and we're gonna proceed. So here's my Canva design area. And what you want to do is click on elements and then type in chart. Once you type in chart, you can now drag and drop the bar chart in your area space. And then once you've done that, go here to the chart options and then look for bar chart race. So after that, you'll now see our bar chart has now changed into a bar chart race. So you can do whatever you want with this. So you can adjust it to your liking. So let's make it wider. And then now we have our data right here on the left side of the screen. So we will now need to change this. So I have a sample data right here. So this is just a sample data that I made, and this is just made up numbers. It's basically a social media comparison about the different users that it has on their website. So again, this is not accurate, so I just made this up using my Excel spreadsheet. So we will now insert this into our data in our bar chart tree. So you can just highlight it, copy it, copy, and then go back to our Canva area. Click on this expand data table, and then you can press Control A to highlight the data area, the data table area, and then press Control V to paste our data. So aside from doing this, you can also do import data. So you can click on import data, and then you can choose from the different apps that Canva supports. You can also upload the data that we did in the Excel spreadsheet. So if I just did that and then I click my Excel spreadsheet for the bar chart race, so you will need to select the sheet that you want to use and then select the range. It says A1 to L6, and then we can double check. So this one is A1 up to L, and then it's up to 6. So it's just the same. And then we can click on done. And then our data is the same that we did earlier that we copy and pasted. And then we can now see our bar chart is displayed on the design area. So we can just adjust this again, and then you can now play on it. So there we have our bar chart race. But if we want to customize it further, we can expand the data table again so that we can see everything. And then you can choose what labels to show. So obviously we need to use the social media label, and then all the other labels are for the years for comparison, which is listed right here, the time period. And then the color is by social media. Don't worry, we can change that later. So it depicts the correct colors of the different social media websites. And then text, if you want to add the label of the legend, and then the axis labels, you can want to remove the legend, just click on it, and then here we have the labels disappeared on our bar chart race. But if we click on it again, it now displays again on our bar chart. And for the axis labels, And then we don't have our axis labels right here anymore. But if we click on it again, and now we have our labels again for the websites and their numbers. And then for animation, you can make it as faster or slower as you want. So we can choose 2. And if we chose the number 2 for the chart playback speed, once you play on it, it now plays very fast. But we can adjust this to so it can play slower. And now we can see that the bar chart is now playing slower as before. And then you can do some other customizations if you want. For example, for the x-axis, we can put in the number of users. And then for the y-axis, so we actually don't need that anymore because we already have our axis labels. So what this will look like is right here. We need to adjust the bar chart again. Then now we have the number of users right here. And then here's our legend. And customize it further, we can change its colors. So for TikTok, we can use black. I'm sorry. Let's adjust this video, the bar chart. And then for Facebook, we can choose blue. For YouTube, we can choose, since it's violet, we can choose red. Then for Instagram, I think it's this one. This one. For Instagram, we can make it pink. For Twitter, we can stay it can be light blue. And then for TikTok, we can change it to black. And then now we see our customized bar chart race. And if you want to edit it some more, you can just explore some of the options right here. You can change the font size if you want. You can change the text colors. You can make it bold. You can italicize it. You can change the background color. If you want. And then there we have our bar chart race. So that is it for this tutorial. I hope you learned how to create your own bar chart race in Canva. And thank you for watching this video.